Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we talked about lots of features of Hibernate. Today we are going to understand what is mapping in Hibernate. So for now you can see in front of your screen we have four types of mapping or possible mappings in Hibernate. One to one, one to many to one and many to many. So before starting these actual topic, let's understand some core Java concepts. Then we will see what is mapping here and how Hibernate provides the solution. So basically there are two terms which are quite common in core Java. One is a relationship. Next one is has a relationship. So what happens here is a relationship is known for when we are trying to achieve inheritance. Right? This is possible in inheritance. So when we have inheritance, we can say the the child class is a okay, let me give an example that will be more clear. So let's say class, we have human, and there's a class, let's say small c, man, capital M. And this man class extends human. Okay, so what we can say, man is a human. That's how we read it. Man is a human because they have inheritance relationship. That's how we call it is a relationship concept works in core Java. What about has a relationship? So has a relationship works when let's say we have a class and we have let's say door or let's say house, and there's one different class, let's say door, and there are multiple fields are there, and one of the field inside this house class is door type. So what we call this? We call this house has a door. So now check out how it is connected. So when we say is a relationship, so there we need inheritance, and there is a separate concept provided, or you can say a separate solution provided for inheritance in Java. When it comes to has a relationship, so we need two different tables mapped by this way, and we can say that it has a relationship. So in this mapping solution, we are going to perform has a relationship through mappings in Hibernate. So stay tuned. Let's meet in next video. There we will see how mapping can be performed in Hibernate. Bye bye.